Hi Barry, my name is Al from Sherwood. This is the 2017 Chevrolet Tahoe you're inquiring about. It's got beautiful rims on there. It's the 7-seater Premier Edition. Tinted windows. Power tailgate. It's a 7-seater. It's even got the DVD player in there. These are your rear seats here. DVD player, even has a sunroof. Your rear control for the heated seats and everything in the back there. It's even got the automatic running boards in there. Your door control panels. 68,000 kilometers. Each and every option available in this vehicle. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Al from Sherwood Kia, 780-449-4595. Thank you.